We needed somebody that didn't have just a business head, but had a social business head on them. And Carl Gough was that man.
I'm Carl Gough. I'm the Social Business Wales Advisor covering Swansea and Neath-Port Talbot areas, delivered by the Wales Co-operative Centre and funded by the European Regional Development Fund and Welsh Government.
I'm Phil Burton and I'm one of the founders of the cooperative called Dynamix. We're a workers' cooperative based in South Wales in Swansea, and we've been going for 30 years now, doing a lot of training and consultation work and facilitation work. And the idea is that we work on areas like participation and equalities and basically making things a little bit fairer for people. Things have been changing, things have been more difficult over recent times. There have been struggles and changes in the sector. Some of our larger clients have found it more difficult to get the funding to employ us. And rather than working from grant funding or anything like that, we've been working over the years from money that people could pay us to employ us. So we needed to look at our funding, we needed to look at our structure, and Carl Gough and Social Business Wales obviously came to mind because they have a great understanding of social enterprises and cooperative enterprises like ours.
So at the point that I came in to work with Dynamix, they'd found themselves in a situation where a few different factors had converged unexpectedly, and they needed some support to help them steady the ship, if you like, and decide what direction they were going to take. One of the issues that I was able to help them with was around their finances. There were a few questions for them to be answered in that regard, and so through our consultancy framework we brought in a financial advisor to help them assess where they were and help them set an appropriate financial strategy. At the same time, I worked with the directors of the business to help them tease out what their main priorities were now, because the operational environment within which they were working had substantially changed.
Carl came along and looked at how our business works, what our business was saying, what our business was selling. Because we've been going for 30 years, we've been doing lots and lots of different activities and lots of different pieces of work. And actually it's quite difficult for clients to go, that's what Dynamix does. So we needed to clarify, I wouldn't say simplify, what the core aims and the core objectives of Dynamix was.
So if you're a social business operating in the Swansea or Neath-Port Talbot areas, and you want to have a chat to see whether you can gain some support for your business, call me on 07464 548 927 or email me on carl.gough@wales.coop, no hyphen in co-op, or alternatively look up Social Business Wales online and look at the details on our website.